Namaste everyone. I'm going to teach you how to use your SereNu set properly with your LumiSpa and your facial spa device. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to grab your LumiSpa cleansing gel, and I typically like to fill the entire center up with the product like this, okay? And then I like to make sure that I spread it around, okay? Also don't forget to do the neck. And the key definitely is to make sure you're using enough product. I'm in the shower when I'm doing this, but just in case if you're not in the shower, just use a spray bottle. Make sure your skin's nice and wet. Spray the head a few times. Then we're gonna get started. Click the button once. I like to start at my chin and come up like this. Just pull back, under. Okay. And the machine is gonna glitch every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds you wanna move to the next area. And you can go directly under your eyes. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, your nose, and right under the eye like this, okay? Then up here to the temple area, then come back down. And don't forget to do your mustache area. Then next, see one, now there's two lights. Then what I'll do is I like to do the other side. Under the eyes, get the nose, and start again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, then right into the eye, 5, and up into the temple area, back to the nose. Then now you're on the third part. So it's 30 seconds each area. I do circles on my forehead. I bring it all the way into the hairline. All the way into the hairline. All the way into the hairline. Like this. You definitely want to make sure you're using enough product, okay? You do circles into the hairline. Okay, in the last 30 seconds, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do your neck. So make sure your neck's wet. I still have cleanser on my neck. So you're gonna go up and down like this. Drain the lymphatic drainage behind the ear, down. All the way up and down. Then come across. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, and then repeat, up and down. And this will actually help to tighten and sculpt the neck. Okay, and then you're done. You can probably see here all the little dirt. Ugh, a lot of stuff came off my face, right? Okay, then from there, I have a wet towel already ready, but if you're in the shower, it's a lot easier, right? So a towel, make sure to clean the back of your ear. Okay, back of the ear. And if you're using this on someone else, of course, you want to be a little more gentle. But when you're doing it on your own face, it's totally fine. Okay? If you have a beard, you want to make sure you clean your beard really well. Okay? So that's going to be done. Very easy to do. After that, normally what you would do, you use your clay mask. But for today, I'm not going to do my clay mask today, but you put on the clay mask, apply it generously, like a lot, and then you're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes on your face. You clean that off, then you're going to use your SereNu brightening or your pH balance. I just spray a bunch of it, tap it in. If you're at home, you can use a little some type of a cloth or a pad, but we just pat it in, totally fine. Once that's complete, you're gonna use your serum here. I like to use a generous amount of serum. Okay. And I apply that serum all over my face. Apply it on your neck, under the eyes. I usually give a couple, so I usually do about 2 of these, like that, okay? Because I want to make sure that I get the best results. So I like to be very generous with the product. And then, because your hands are wet, okay, you're gonna touch the back of the plate. So make sure that you have full contact in the back of the plate. You're gonna click the device once. You're gonna wait. Then you're gonna wait when it goes 1. You click it 2 more times, and you touch the fat part of your cheek, and it'll beep. Okay. So same thing. You're gonna start from the chin. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right underneath the eyes, 5. Okay. Then you go to the forehead, up and down on the forehead. Okay, up and down, and then side to side on the forehead. And also here, the little lines right here, up and down, and side to side. And if you feel dry at all, you can add more serum, or you can just spray a little bit of water is okay. And if you want to lift your eyebrows up, you hold the eyebrow, and you go up into the hairline, up into the hairline, up into the hairline. And don't worry about your skin getting a little red, because it's actually stimulating the blood in your skin, okay? Under the eyes, you're very gentle, come up, and like that, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then I go to the neck. You go up and down the neck, like this, so drain, same thing, drain the lymph nodes, all the way across, all the way across. And then you're gonna come in, and if you wanna sculpt the neck to make your neck skinny, pull back, pull back. And you wanna make sure that it slips really nicely. There's a lot of nice viscosity, very good slip on it, okay? If you're pulling too hard, then you need to add more serum, or you need to add more water. Okay, up and down. Usually we just add more serum, honestly, but I'm running a little slow already. Okay, so come here, and you just go backwards, okay? And if it doesn't beep, that means you definitely need to add either more serum or add more gel. Okay. This, come back, up, up, come over to the top, then back and forth, okay? Back and forth, back and forth. Do little 11s here, and then go up into the hairline, hold the eyebrow up. So I do the little heel on the eyebrow, and then I go toe into the hairline, okay? So let's see if you can do that again. So heel, and then toe, press firmly down, not firmly, but press down, and then go into the hairline, up into the hairline. And the company recommends to use this product 3 times a week, but I would say if you want to, you can definitely do it on a daily basis for as many days as you want. Just kind of depends on your budget, all right? So then come back here. And look, see how my fingers are still touching the plate? Okay, not like this, but touching the plate firmly. And if it's blinking and it doesn't beep, you're not connected. So you need to be connected, okay? Hold up. And then it beeps every 10 seconds to let you know that it's working. And then also, it will double beep. You'll hear 3 beeps so that you know when you're finished, okay? And same thing, come to the neck, do the neck again, like this, do the neck again, okay? Up and down, like this. Okay. A little dry today for some reason. Up and down. Okay. And then come back here, start again, like this. Okay. And you're gonna just keep doing these motions until you're finished. Make sure you drain the lymph node here. Okay. Wait for the triple beep. There you go. Okay. And so it's gonna just turn off as soon as it's done. Okay. Now what you do, so you're all good, you're all fresh, right? Looks good. The serum's all soaked into the skin. Then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna add your gel cream. Okay, I always kind of like to do a little shake with it. Just kind of habit, what I like to do. Open it up. Okay, that's a little bit of a generous amount. I'm not sure if I would use that much. Typically I would use kind of something like this. Okay, so what I do is I dab it all the way across. Well, actually I would actually use that. Dab it like this all the way across. And then everything, same thing. Up and out. Then do circles. Up and out. Do circles. This is just how I do it at home, okay? Under the eye, under the eye. Do the neck, and everything is up and out, okay, everybody? Everything is up and out. This is how you use your India Nu Skin products for SereNu, which is our salon professional product, okay? Yes, you can use these at home, but these are actually made more for salons, okay? Oh yeah, I feel way better. That feels good. Okay, so that's how you use your Nu Skin SereNu line. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you. My name is Grant Chapman. Namaste. Make it a great day.